Meet Barry, the honey badger. He's just been stung 106 times. And his week's just begun. Honey badgers aren't afraid of anything. A kick from an ostrich could kill a lion. Barry didn't get that memo. So why do honey badgers laugh in the face of danger? It's because they're really, really dumb. No, sorry, hard to kill. It says hard to kill here. Apologies.
Duh.
This superpower means that honey badgers can tackle the prey that most animals sensibly avoid. Their skin is tougher to get through than my 5-year-old's dance recital. And, like my 5-year-old, they're shockingly resistant to venom. In fact, 1 in 4 of Barry's meals is a venomous snake. That is spicy. Good week so far. But how's Barry gonna cope when he's on the menu? African hunting dogs are one of the most efficient predators on the continent. They catch 80% of the things they chase, and if they catch it, they kill it. Or just eat it until it dies. Oh, okay. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Look away now, kids. Now, I know this is hard to watch, so if it makes things easier, I'm going to let you know that Barry's going to be fine, okay? This is all in a day's work for this guy. Not only is badger skin tougher than a $2 steak, it's also very baggy. For the dogs, it's like trying to grab a football in a sack of grease.
They come to destroy the earth, they'll have to deal with you first.
The hunting dogs get an A+ for effort. But after trying their little hearts out to dismember the badger, the dogs start to run out of ideas. Eventually, they admit defeat and go in search of something easier to kill. Like Chuck Norris or a tank. Tough as balls. A little bruised and beaten, but soon Barry's back to his old self. Living proof you should never underestimate the little guy.